Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss some of the example problems from the chapter matrices which are from the page number 75. If you didn't watch the previous video, the link is in the description, please watch it. Okay, example 3.3.3. Matrix A is given as 1 4 7 2 5 8 and matrix B is given as -3 4 0 4 -2 -1. Then he is asking to verify that first one is A transpose whole transpose equals to A. Second one, A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. And third one, phi B whole transpose is equals to phi into B transpose. Okay, let us do one by one now. I'm going to do the first one, that is A transpose whole transpose is equals to A. So first I'll write the matrix A again. Matrix A is equals to 1 4 7 2 5 8. So in this he's asking us to show that A transpose whole transpose. So first I will do A transpose. Transpose is nothing but matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns. So this is column. Let me go with another color. This is a column. That column we need to write it as a row. So that 1 2. Next, second column, that also same, write it as row 4 5. Third column 7 8, write it as row 7 8. So this is the A transpose. Now we need to find out A transpose whole transpose. So for A transpose again I am doing transpose. So here also same again, one column we need to write it as a row. So 1 4 7, it is a column. If you write it as row, it will become 1 4 7. Then next 2 5 8, it is a column. If you write it as row, 2 5 8. So A transpose whole transpose is equals to 1 4 7 2 5 8. Now let us check this answer with the matrix A. Matrix A is 1 4 7 2 4 8. A transpose whole transpose also 1 4 7 2 5 8 only. So that we can say A transpose whole transpose is equals to nothing but A. Okay, next, second question in this. A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, first A plus B whole A plus B we will do. A plus B is equals to matrix A is given as 1 4 7 2 5 8 plus matrix B is given as -3 4 0 4 -2 -1. Okay, let us do addition of all this. 1 -3 -2, 4 plus 4 8, 7 plus 0 7, 2 plus 4 6, 5 -2 3, 8 -1 7. So this is the value of A plus B. And we want A plus B whole transpose. So for this A plus B value, let us do transpose. Nothing but interchanging the rows and columns. So -2 6 8 3 7 7. This is the A plus B whole transpose matrix. Next, we need to find then A transpose plus B transpose. So first let me go with A transpose. A transpose. First, let me write the matrix A. Matrix A is given as 1 4 7 2 5 8. Okay, for this matrix, we need to find A transpose. So A transpose is equals to just interchanging the rows and columns. 1 2 4 5 7 8. This is A transpose. The same way, let me write B. B matrix is -3 4 0 4 -2 -1. For this matrix B, let us write B transpose. -3 4 4 -2 0 minus 1. This is B transpose. So now we want A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose plus B transpose is equals to, A transpose is 1 2 4 5 7 8, 1 2 4 5 7 8, plus B transpose minus 3 4, 4 minus 2, 0 minus 1. Okay, let us add all these two. 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 plus 4 6, 4 plus 4 8, 5 minus 2 3, 7 plus 0 7, 8 minus 1 7. So this is the value of A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, now let us check the value of A plus B whole transpose and A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, A plus B whole transpose, we got it as minus 2 6 8 3 7 7, minus 2 6 8 3 7 7. So from this we can conclude A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Again, in this only we have third question also, that is verify phi B whole transpose is equals to phi into B transpose. Okay, first I am going with the LHS first. I will find out the value of phi B. Phi B is nothing but phi times matrix B. Matrix B is minus 3 4 0, 4 minus 2 minus 1. Now we need to do scalar multiplication, that is outside number multiply with each and every element of inside the matrix. 5 into minus 3 minus 15, 5 into 4 20, 5 into 0 0. The same way with the second row also. 5 into 4, then 5 into minus 2, then 5 into minus 1. 5 4s are 20, 5 into minus 2 minus 10, 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Now this is phi B, but we want phi B whole transpose. So phi B whole transpose is equals to, this is column, write it as row, minus 15 20. The same way remaining two columns also, 20 minus 10 0 minus 5. So this is the value of phi B whole transpose. Now we need to find out phi into B transpose. So phi into matrix B, if we write, if we check the matrix B once, matrix B we have minus 3 4 0, 4 minus 2 minus 1. So for this matrix B, if we write the B transpose, it will become minus 3 4, 4 minus 2, 0 minus 1. So this I am going to write here, minus 3 comma 4, minus 3 comma 4, 4 comma minus 2, 0 comma minus 1. This I don't want. 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma minus 1. This is the value of phi into B transpose. Sorry, phi into B transpose. Okay. Now same again, outside number we need to multiply with each and every element. 5 into minus 3, 5 into 4, 5 into minus 3 minus 15, 5 4s are 20. Next second row, if we take 5 4s are 5 into minus 2, 5 4s are 20, 5 into minus 2 minus 10. The same way with the third row also, 5 into 0, 5 into minus 1, 5 into 0 0, 5 into minus 1 minus 5. This is the value of phi times B transpose. Now let us compare the values once. Phi B whole transpose is minus 15 20, 20 minus 10, 0 minus 5. Phi into B transpose also minus 15 20, 20 minus 10, 0 minus 5. So from these two we can conclude that phi B whole transpose is equals to phi times B transpose. Okay, now let's move to next question. Matrix A is given as 2 minus 1 2, 1 3 minus 4, and matrix B is given as 1 minus 2 minus 3 0 5 4. Then he is asking us to verify AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, first let me find out the AB value, so that if I find out the AB value, for that AB I will do transpose. Okay, first AB is equals to, A matrix is given as 2 minus 1 2 1 3 minus 4 into B matrix 1 minus 2 minus 3 0 5 4. Okay, let us find the AB value first. First column multiplying with first row, 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 5. The same way, first row multiplying with the second column, 2 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 4. Now first row completed, let's move to the second row. Second row into first column, 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 3 plus minus 4 into 5. Next, second row we need to multiply with the second column, 1 into minus 2 plus 3 into 0 plus minus 4 into 4. Okay, let us simplify this. 2 into 1 2, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, 2 into 5 10, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus 1 into 0 0, I am not writing, 2 into 4 8, 1 into 1 1, 3 into minus 3 minus 9, minus 4 into 5 minus 20, 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 3 into 0 0, minus 4 into 4 minus 16. So if we simplify this further, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 10 15, minus 4 plus 8 4, minus 20 minus 9 minus 29, minus 29 plus 1 minus 28, minus 2 minus 16 minus 18. So this is the value of AB, but we want the value of AB whole transpose. So AB whole transpose. So simply this AB value only we need to find out the transpose. 15 minus 28, 4 minus 18. So this is the value of AB whole transpose, and still he is asking us to show that AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, first let us write the B transpose and A transpose. Matrix A is given as 2 minus 1 2, 1 3 minus 4, and matrix B is given as 1 minus 2 minus 3 0 5 4. Now let us write the A transpose. A transpose is equals to 2 1 minus 1 3 2 minus 4. Next, B transpose is equals to 1 minus 3 5 minus 2 0 4. Okay, now we want the value of B transpose into A transpose. B transpose into A transpose. So first write the B transpose, 1 minus 3 5 minus 2 0 4 into A transpose, 2 1 minus 1 3 2 minus 4. Okay, let us do multiplication of this. First row multiplying with first column, 1 into 2 plus minus 3 into minus 1 plus 5 into 2. The same way, first row we need to multiply with the second column also, 1 into 1 plus minus 3 into 3 plus 5 into minus 4. First row completed. Now let's move to the second row. Second row we need to multiply with the first column, minus 2 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1 plus 4 into 2. Now the second column, minus 2 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 4 into minus 4. Okay, now if we simplify this, 1 into 2 2, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3, 5 2s are 10, 1 into 1 1, minus 3 into 3 minus 9, 5 into minus 4 minus 20, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, 0 into anything 0, 4 2s are 8. Next, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, 0 into 3, 0, 4 into minus 4, minus 16. Let us simplify this further. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 10, 15. Minus 20, minus 9, minus 29, minus 29 plus 8, minus 28. Minus 4 plus 8, 4. Minus 2, minus 16, minus 18. Okay, this is the value of b factorial into a factorial. Okay, now let us check both the answers once. This is ab whole factorial. That is 15 minus 28, 4 minus 18. Next, b factorial into a factorial we got as 15 minus 28, 4 minus 18. Both are equal. Hence, ab whole factorial, whole transpose is equals to b transpose into a transpose. Okay, now let us do some solved problems. Okay, the first question is matrix A is equals to minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Then he is asking to find A into A transpose. Next, do A and A transpose commute with respect to multiplication of matrices. Let us check. First, let us find A into A transpose value. A into A transpose is equals to, A matrix is given in the question itself, minus 1, 2, 0, 1 into A transpose. So simply this is the column, write it as row, minus 1, 0. This is the second column, write it as the second row, 2, 1. Okay, now let us do multiplication of these two matrices. First row we need to multiply with the first column. So we get it as minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Next, first row we need to multiply with second column, minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. Now if we move to the second row into first column, 0 into minus 1 plus 1 into 2. The same way second row into second column, 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Okay, now if you simplify this, minus 1 into minus 1, 1 plus 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 into 0, 0 no need, 2 1s are 2. Next, 0 into anything 0, 1 2s are 2. 0 into anything 0, 1 1s are 1. So finally we will get the answer as 1 plus 4, 5, 2, 2, 1. This is the value of A into A transpose. Now we need to find out A transpose into A also. A transpose into A, because he is asking to check whether A and A transpose commute with respect to multiplication or not. So A transpose into A. Here this is A transpose, minus 1 0 2 1, minus 1 0 2 1 into matrix A. It is given in the question, that is minus 1 2 0 1, minus 1 2 0 1. Okay, let us find this value also now. Same again, first row multiply with the first column, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 0. Next, first row multiply with the second column, that it will become minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Then let's move to the second row. Second row we need to multiply the first column, 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0. Then second row multiply with the second column, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay, if you simplify this, minus 1 into minus 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 0 into 1 0, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 into 0 0, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1. So this will become 1 minus 2 minus 2 5. Okay, now this is the value of A transpose into A. Okay, now let us compare the values of A into A transpose and A transpose into A. Here A into A transpose we got as 5 2 2 1. That is completely different from this answer. So A into A transpose is not equals to A transpose into A. So if these two are not equal, then A and A transpose do not commute with respect to multiplication of matrices. Okay, next. Second solved problem. A matrix he gave as -2 1 0 3 4 -5, and matrix B is given as 1 2 4 3 -1 comma 5, and he is asking to find the value of A plus B transpose. So A value as it is -2 1 0 3 4 -5 plus B transpose. So here this is column, write it as row 1 4 -1. This is second row, write it as second column, write it as second row 2 3 5. Okay, now let us do addition of these two matrices. -2 plus 1 -1, 1 plus 4 5, 0 plus -1 -1, 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 3 7, -5 plus 5 0. So this is the value of A plus B transpose. Next, solve problem 3. Matrix A is equals to 0 4 -2 -4 0 8 2 -8 x is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix is nothing but A transpose is equals to negative of A. Okay, then he's asking to find the x value. So in the question clearly he mentioned that it is a skew symmetric matrix. In the skew symmetric matrix, the diagonals should be equal. So 0 0, then x value also compulsory, it should be 0 only, because the given matrix is a skew symmetric matrix, that is according to the question, and x is an element in the diagonal, so x value is a 0. Next, let us move to the last problem in this solved problems, that is solved problem number 4. For any n by n matrix A, prove that A can be uniquely expressed as a sum of symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. Okay, let us move to this solution now. We have matrix A. So matrix A, I will write it as A by 2 plus A by 2, because A by 2 plus A by 2 is A, plus A dash by 2 minus A dash by 2, that is nothing but transpose. So now here anyway plus A dash by 2 minus A dash by 2 will cancel, so there is no change in the value. So now what I will do, matrix A is equals to, from the first term and from the third term I will take out 1 by 2 common, so we remains with A plus A transpose, plus from the second term and fourth term also I will take out 1 by 2 common, then we remains with A minus A transpose. Okay, now in the question he asked that prove that A can be uniquely expressed as a sum of a symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So matrix A is equals to two more matrices we need to take, so that's why I am taking as B matrix and C matrix. whereas this B is a symmetric matrix and C is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now A is equals to B plus C. Then what will be the value of A transpose? A transpose is nothing but B plus C whole transpose. So this B plus C whole transpose can be written as B transpose plus C transpose, that is also exactly equals to B minus C. Okay, now we need to write the, then what is the B value and what is the C value. So then B value will be equals to this half into A plus A transpose, half into A plus A transpose, as well as matrix C is equals to half into second term A minus A transpose, A minus A transpose. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.